You never know when your car key could end up lost, broken or damaged. And that's where Car Key Solutions in South Norwood, South London can help. Your one-stop shop for car key repairs, replacements and duplicates. Enjoy peace of mind and get a spare car key with our superior key cutting and transponder chip programming service. It's so quick that we can do it while you wait. Any make, any model, our highly trained technicians have you covered. Same goes if your car key is broken or damaged. We'll have it fixed in no time at our South London store. Affordable rates, expert repairs and a reliable service are why Car Key Solutions is the UK's most trusted and reviewed auto locksmith and emergency response service, with a 5-star rating on Trustpilot and SafeBuy. We also offer custom solutions for vehicles depending on the make and model, including Ghost II Immobiliser systems, alarm systems, vehicle trackers and van security locks. So whether you've got a problem with your car keys or vehicle security, come and see the experts at Car Key Solutions at 220 to 222 Portland Road, South Norwood, SE25 4QB. Open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. Give us a call on 0203 393 5669.